Hi, I'm John Arnson from Courthouse Technologies, and this is Courthouse JMS training video on posting payments. Let's start from the login screen. When at the login screen, you enter your username and password. When you enter your username and password, it takes you to the default page. In most cases, this will be the calendar view. One thing to remember is that during installation, your system will be configured to either post payments or print checks. Ask your system administrator as to which setting your court is set to. Before you post payments, make sure that you have attended all of the candidates that you will be paying for each day of attendance. You should also check to make sure that there is an amount owing for your court location and that the payments have not already been posted. You can do this by using the statistical dashboard in the top right corner of any page. Click on the icon to display the dashboard. You will see the amount owing on the bottom left. Before you post payments, you will also want to check to make sure the amounts owing to each candidate are correct. You do this by bringing up the pre-payment report. Just run your mouse over Reports, Financial, and then click on Pre-Payment Report. Once the report page displays, you can choose to look at the prepayment report by pool, case, or all outstanding attendances. In this movie, we will post by case. Once you have clicked on the case icon, you can choose which case you wish to look at by picking from the drop-down box as shown here. Notice the date range being populated. The JMS will automatically look for the earliest attendances to the last for this particular case. Click OK once you are ready. Once the report displays, check the amounts and dates of attendance for each candidate to make sure that they are accurate. If you do find an error or miscalculation, you can make an edit in the candidate's record. Pull up the record by using Quick Search. You can type the candidate ID number in the field or copy and paste it from the report. Control-C is copy and Control-V is paste. To learn how to edit an attendance record, please see the movie on editing attendance. You can also export this report to Adobe PDF and Microsoft Word or Excel. To the right, you can pick the printer you wish to print the report from. If your printer prints on multiple trays, you can choose which tray the prepayment report will draw from as shown here. If you wish to save paper and print on both sides of a page, you can choose to print duplex by choosing from the box shown here. The last option on the right gives you the ability to print multiple copies of the report. Once you have set up all of your printing options, you click Print to print off the report. Once you have printed the prepayment report, you can now post payments. To do this, run your mouse over File, New, Attendances, and click on Post Payments. You may notice the page looks like the prepayment report page. You can post payments by pool, case, or post all outstanding attendances. Once you've selected by case, you can choose which trial to pay from the drop-down list shown here. Once you've selected your case, we recommend that you check to make sure that the grand total, per diem, and expenses all match the prepayment report you printed earlier. The three fields to look at on this page are per diem, total expenses, and grand total, which is the sum of the per diem and the total expenses fields. Once you have checked to make sure all the amounts are correct, click Save to post the payments. The system will give you a recap of what you're about to do. Click OK to proceed. Once the payments have been posted, the system will display that the function is completed and that an audit number has been generated. This audit report will print to the printer of your choice or to PDF, Word, or Excel. This is something that you can set up in the Court Locations table. If you wish to print the audit report again, you can do so by accessing it through the Reports menu. Run your mouse over Reports, Financial, and click on By Audit Number. At the report screen, you pick the audit report you wish to print from the drop-down menu shown here. Once the report displays, you can flip pages or go to the last page by clicking the arrows at the top right of the page. You can confirm the total amount paid out in this audit report against your prepayment report from before. If you have any further questions regarding this or any other training movie, please contact us at 1-877-521-2199 or email us at support@courthouse-technologies.com. Thank you.